May profits be upon you. I'm trying to move fast with this analysis so that I can get it in to you for the New York Open, which is in approximately 25 minutes, 24 minutes. All right. So let's do it. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right. You're trading with RT Money. Let's do it. Okay. So what I wanted to do is do some top down real quick. Okay. Let's look. All right. What we have here is a mess. I don't like messes. You know I don't like messes. All right. So what do we got? On this, it's very obvious to see we are looking at swing structure, right? We have a low, a higher high, a higher low, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. All right. These are internal highs and lows, all right, because this is the trading range. Once the low of the trading range is broken, then this becomes the bottom of the trading range. This remains the top. And we are in correction mode right now. So we are bearish on the daily. Follow me now. Stay with me on that. All right. If you have a question, leave a comment and I will answer it. I respond to all my viewers. All right. Now we have a break of structure here on the 4 hour. All right. We're looking at the 4 hour right now. All right. This is the higher time frame swing. Okay. And we can see from here, from this high, we can see that price is continuing low and we are in correction. So the daily and the 4 hour are bearish. All right. Would you agree? All right. Don't look at all this stuff here. Don't look at it all. Don't get caught up. Look at this swing from the swing high to the swing low. All right. This is the higher time frame, swing high, swing low, and for the most part, there's not a lot of difference between that and the 4 hour. We are bearish and we are in correction. All of this consolidation is correction, but is the correction over? We're going to address that now. All right. Is it over? All right. So let's go to the 15-minute where we get down to business. All right. You see where we are, right? I'm trying to give this is that consolidation area that I was talking about, and that's where we need to be focused. All right. There's a lot of 15-minute price swings here. Okay. So let's go to the most current area. What do we have here? Where is the swing structure? I'm going to show you. All right. You see how we have a break of that low. Okay. At the price comes from this high to this low. This is where the lower low is made. All right. The lower low was made here. We have a pullback here. All right. That is the swing high on the 15-minute. Okay. Easy. All right. Swing low on the 15-minute, swing high on the 15-minute. We break the swing low. That makes us bearish here. All right. We have a break and a close below that. So we become bearish. So we're looking for sells at this point. All right. Not the most convincing break in the world that looks like, that you can see the obvious intent of price, but we know news is coming, but technically we are looking for sells. Let me slow down. All right. But once we break structure to the upside, all right, that swing high, that means we are bullish. All right. This becomes the bottom of your trading range. All right. And we're looking for the top. It makes a swing high here. All right. A swing high here. Let me see. Help me. Swing high here. All right. Swing low here. This is 15-minute now. This is 15-minute. Okay. All right. We got a swing high. Price pulls back. We make a higher high. Got it. And with that, This is the bottom of our trading range. This becomes the top of our trading range. What are we looking for? Buys. Until when? When this bottom swing low on the 15-minute time frame gets broken, and that happened here. So we are looking for sells. This is an internal, this is a break of 15-minute of a 15-minute swing low. So we are looking for, it's bearish on the 15-minute time frame, and we're looking for sells. Now, after a bearish break of structure, help me with this, man, because obviously it doesn't want to cooperate. All right, with a bearish swing, with a bearish break of structure. All right, I'm always looking for the pullback to the origin, right? On RTI. We didn't get that. We did not get that. What I'm going to do is mark the range of the the supply area. All right, and if price comes back here, I'll be looking for a high probability trade to the downside. All right, but remember, I'm asking you to remember. What am I looking over there for? I'm asking you to remember that the higher time frames said we are in correction. All right. Have we established a pullback high? What would let us know that it has been established? Well, a good indication is that we broke the demand here. Yeah, we broke the demand here, and here, boom, right? And we came back to the supply zone that is responsible for that break, and we reacted accordingly. So what am I saying here? If we come back to the 15, we see that this is supposed to be demand. The supply. All right, we see that price came back to the demand. To the supply, and we could be seeing this could very well be the strong high of the range, okay, of this consolidation. We could be seeing the breakout getting ready to form. There's two scenarios, okay? Stay with me. I'm dropping a bunch of information, all right? I don't like this zone here. I don't like this wick. This looks like a very nice inverted head and shoulders. All right, but this is a wick from this wick here is a candle for the news, and these have shown to be unreliable. Now you see how price has a lot of momentum here, a little pullback, a lot of momentum to the downside, but you can see the exhaustion here, the wicks of exhaustion. So we are in this zone of demand. All right, there's two scenarios that we can see here. This is the demand zone. All right, but I don't like taking trades from here. I'm going to watch the price action here. All right, what am I looking for? I'm looking for this, an inverted kind of situation where we go up here, an inverted head and shoulders. I need to see something like this here. All right, this is going to be pivotal because I believe a break above this. All right, if price breaks above that, it's signaling that we're going to get that pullback, and then I'll see what happens when it gets here. All right, if it breaks through, then that means the higher time frame, remember from the 4-hour, we're in correction. We don't know if that pullback is over. All right, it is trading under the 50% mark of the swing structure. Look, use the Fibonacci tool. All right, here's the top of the trading range. Here's the bottom here. All right, we're going to stretch it over to the right. Come on, man. We're trading below the 50%. All right, we don't know if price has finished this retracement, which would make more sense up here. Okay, we want to be above the 50%, somewhere around here. This is premium prices. This is discount prices. above and below the 50%. We want to see a real pullback. This might be close enough, all right, because we're in supply here, all right. So, you know, it might be enough for price. We might see the rejection here and continue up for a deeper pullback. That's what's on my mind, all right, one of the possibilities. So with that scenario, let me say this. If price gives us this pullback, come on, man, really? All right, if price gives us this pullback, I need to see something like this. I need to see a break above, all right, to indicate that price wants to go up higher. And we're going to test this supply zone, right? That's one thing. All right. But if price continues down, pulls back, and makes a deeper push to the downside, and we see a break and a close below here, below that line, that means we're turning bearish and we should be looking for sells. I'm going to sit back and watch the price action here. You have to be careful. This is the 15-minute. So we have two scenarios. Either we get the rejection here, and I need to see a break and a close above this, and I'll wait for the pullback to take a higher probability trade to test the supply. All right. But if it, I believe that if it does turn around here and gives us a break and a close above, I believe we're going to break this. I really believe we're going to break this and go for a deeper retracement. That might, we'll see, because that's going to be a news candle. I'm telling you right now, the GDP numbers might play a big part in this. If we get the righteous move here, all right. So with the news announcement, but if we break and close below this, if we get a break and close below this, that means we're going downtown to Chinatown. I'm looking for a pullback into whatever supply caused the break. All right, it may be here. It may be here. It may pull back. And let me make sure you get this clear. All right, we may see a pullback to this supply. Come on, man. Really? You may see a pullback to this supply here. And if that happens, and it breaks, I'm looking for a pullback to this area. I'm looking for a pullback to this area. It'll probably be a tap and go when we go down. But again, this is going to be determined by news. I'm going to sit on my hands. I'm going to be very careful with this because news is coming at 8:30. All right. We got 15, it's 7:47. If I can get this out in the next 5-10 minutes, I'm hoping that you find it helpful. We're looking for two scenarios, and we need to see what the price action is here. All right. And this is the invalidation point for buys. All right. Once price breaks and closes below that, then we're not looking for no buys. Okay. And if we get the inverted head and shoulders, the quasi, we have to break this for confirmation. We have to break this and look for the pullback, and then we can head on uptown. But that would mean the Euro USD is very weak against the Euro, and I'm not sure how likely a scenario that is with the GDP numbers if they come in bad like they did last time. Okay, it will signal a technical recession for the US. So we're going to see. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.